Hey guys, Roger back here with another unboxing video, and today I have with me the Flipkart Smartbuy Bluetooth speaker. It is the base variant, which is priced at around 800 to 900 Indian rupees, and I got it in the Flipkart sale. So let's unbox it. So inside there we get it in bubble wrap. So this is the brand packaging. So this is how the box looks like, very basic. Here we have the details. The price quoted here is 1249 Indian rupees, and it is made in China. Let's unbox this. So this is the speaker, and we get some quick start guides. It is very small actually. I thought it will be a bit bigger. And we get a micro USB to USB for charging only, and no aux cable included. At least that could have been a good thing if they had aux in cable. So here is how the speaker looks like. It is very small and compact. So this here is the Flipkart Smartbuy branding. Up top we get the 3-watt speaker with metal grill. Here is the LED. Then we have the power on off with call accepting and play pause, so all in one button. Then we have the DC 5 in. Here is the mic for taking calls, on off button, and the aux in connection. Nothing on this side, and at the bottom is this rubber for better grip like that. So it is turned on. Let's pair it. So here I am pairing it with this Eureka. So it is this model EBT3W1, 3W for 3-watt I guess. So it is paired. Let's try playing a music track now. So let's play this track. So as you guys heard, this speaker is having very tiny voice, I have to say, and it is same as I am playing music via the speaker of this Eureka. Let me play that as well. So that was the music from this device. So there is basically no difference between the sound level of both the speaker, and I am very disappointed with Flipkart by this product. They are costing 800 rupees for this, and this is a total failure, I have to say. The earlier speaker that I tested was really good and it was performing good, but this one is a complete failure, I have to say. and I will not be reviewing this fully as this is not worth reviewing. So that's it guys, I will recommend you to stay away. And if you get the 5-watt speaker for 1000 to 1200 rupees, you can go with that one, but this one is not recommended at all. So that's it, I will see you guys in the next video.